Hi guys, it's Jay from J&D's Retirement Journey. Just wanted to say thanks for watching and please hit that subscribe button and that like button. Thanks so much. Want to wish everyone a happy new year, a lot of health and good things in the upcoming year. Today I'm going to give you a quick stock analysis of the Global X Nasdaq 100 covered call EFT, symbol QYLD. High income potential, QYLD seeks to generate income through covered call writing, which historically produces a higher yield in periods of volatility. Right now, the 12-month trailing yield is 15.82. It's a monthly dividend, which is great. Keeps compounding as the year goes on. It's paid monthly distributions for 8 years running. QYLD writes call options on the Nasdaq 100 index, saving investors time and potential expense of doing so individually. All this information is right off the Global X website and the Schwab website. So do your research before you invest in anything. I'm not a financial planner. This might be right for me, but it might not be right for you guys. As you can see from this, the average funds return is 5.23 since inception. It's trading for about $16 right now. It's down big this year, which with everything else. But the dividend is great. That's what I'm in it for. The dividend, it's almost 12%. A few definitions about this fund right off the Global X website. The CBOE Nasdaq 100 Buy Right Index is a benchmark index that measures the performance of a portfolio that holds a portfolio of stocks included in the Nasdaq 100 index and writes or sells a succession of 1 month at the money Nasdaq covered call options. The CBOE Nasdaq 100 Buy Right V2 index replicates the methodology used to calculate the BXN index, with one exception. The written Nasdaq 100 index covered calls options are held until 1 day prior to the expiration date and are liquidated at a volume weighted average price determined at the close. The Nasdaq 100 index includes 100 of the largest domestic and international non-financial companies listed on the Nasdaq stock market based on market cap. The index reflects companies across major industry groups, including computer, hardware and software, telecommunications, retail, wholesale trade, and biotechnology. It does not contain securities of financial companies, including investment companies. And basically, when we first started, I mentioned the 12-month trailing yield. This distribution yield is an investor would have received if they had held the fund over the last 12 months, assuming the most recent NAV. The 12-month trailing yield is calculated by summing any income, capital gains, and return of capital distributions over the last 12 months and dividing by the sum of the most recent NAV and any capital gains distributions made over the time period. These are the top 10 holdings in the fund. You got Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, Alphabet, Nvidia, Telsa, Meta, PepsiCo, and Broadcom. The sector breakdown. We got information technology, 50%, communications, 15% consumer discretionary, 14% healthcare, about 8%, consumer staples, about 7%, industrials about 4%, and utilities about 1%. Now the fun part. This is why I love these stocks. It's a monthly payer, and here is the 12-month distributions. I just added everything up for you guys. 2022 worked out to $2.19. 2021 worked out to $2.84. And for this year, it works out to a yield of almost 12%, 11.85. Right, I have about 400 shares. I'm taking a loss about $1,800 right now. Maybe a little less because I received about a little bit over 30 shares in dividends. I reinvested dividends. Next year, I'm about to get about 60 shares. So when this bounces back, we'll be making money. I'm a long-term investor and I'm in it for the income. Morningstar has a 3-star rating on this fund. Historic average return is about right in the middle there, as you can see. Historic risk below average, which is great. Do your research before investing in anything. Talk with your financial planner, and good luck. And again, Happy New Year.